Hey there, it's Kevin, and I wanted to give you a quick video review of this LUXE Bidet Neo 120. So a few years ago, I went to a rehearsal dinner and they had a bidet in their bathroom, and I used it and I changed my mind overnight. So I picked this one up and the installation was just so easy. So here's the bidet. Now the toilet seat would sit here and go out like this. The nozzle that shoots the water is actually back here behind a little door. Now this is on the side of the toilet, and you can see that there is the water pressure. You can go from off to high if you go all the way. And then here you go from the wash of the nozzle cleaning to even more. Now again, the nozzle would go lower and shoot down, but there's actually a door that will open up and you can clean the nozzle if need be. Like I mentioned, the installation was very simple. There is a hose that comes with it, and then two of these that actually come with it as well. Again, this is so hygienic, and you actually use less toilet paper when you use this bidet. So I hope you enjoyed the review, and I'll see you next time.